Hello and welcome to the Exodus channel. We're gonna explore the Exodus mobile crypto wallet available for both Android and iOS. But first things first, Exodus is all about empowering you with complete control over your crypto. Exodus is a self-custody wallet that generates unique private keys on your phone, giving you full ownership of your digital assets. Think of it as your personal crypto vault where only you hold the combination, nobody else. Now, let's dive into some of Exodus's key features, starting with sending and receiving crypto. With Exodus, you can securely store and manage a wide range of popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, Dogecoin, and many, many more. You can even add custom tokens on 14 of the most widely used Web3 networks. We've got you covered with support for hundreds of thousands of tokens across over 50 blockchain networks. Within each asset's wallet, you'll find your unique receive address and the ability to send funds to other addresses. You can add personal notes to transactions, keeping them exclusively visible to you. Plus, for wallets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you have cool options like setting custom transaction fees. If you love swapping between cryptocurrencies, you'll love Exodus even more. The swap allows you to easily swap between hundreds of cryptocurrencies. No need to sign up with an online exchange. Just select the two assets you want to swap, and voila, it's as simple as that. Our third-party API providers will handle the rest, ensuring your crypto is delivered to your wallet. Let's head over to the profile screen to discover more of Exodus' fantastic features. In the assets section, you can manually add tokens that aren't listed by default. Multiple chains are supported, and you can add as many custom tokens as you'd like. Send and receive custom tokens just like any other asset in Exodus. You can also earn staking rewards by staking popular assets like Matic, Solana, Cardano ADA, and Cosmos Atom. Just tap the staking icon to see which assets you can stake and earn. When it comes to buying and selling crypto, we've got you covered. You can use your bank account, credit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay to fund your purchase. Once your payment is processed, the funds will be deposited directly into your wallet. And when you decide to sell, you can withdraw your funds to your bank account. Explore Web3 apps on multiple networks. If you can't find your favorite app listed, simply use a search bar to type in the name or website. Feel like treating yourself? You can buy gift cards using your crypto. Just tap into the shopping section and connect to BitRefill to browse top brands. And for all you NFT collectors out there, our multi-chain NFT gallery allows you to conveniently view your NFTs from various networks, all in one place. Oh, and let's not forget, Exodus supports the Bitcoin Lightning Network for near-instant, low-cost transactions. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Exodus is designed to be easy to use. And if you ever need assistance with your wallet, our customer support team is available 24/7, ready to help you out. Thanks for joining us on this Exodus tour, and happy crypto adventures.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We've got a lot more videos for you, so just click any of these to keep watching.